Hey puppy trades! In my last video we talked about how Tesla formed my second to last video, watch the other one, we talked about how Tesla formed a wave 1 and an ABC wave 2, and then from this low a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave 1 leading diagonal in an A, B, C wave 2 correction, so it can enter wave 3 of wave 3. Now Tesla has a China component to its business, but what we're really going to talk about in this video is two stocks besides the Nasdaq that really have a strong Chinese component to their businesses. So we're going to talk about Apple and Alibaba. First, let's brush up on the Nasdaq because it's very important for Apple's analysis. It formed an A, B, C correction where the length of wave A placed at the wave B high is where wave C ended. And then from this low, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves impulse forms for wave 1. And then the QQQ ends wave 2 at the 61.8 to 78.6% retracement. Now, 506.92 is a little tight from the original projection, but if we look at the Nasdaq right now, that's becoming a increasingly more reasonable level. Looking at QQQ, the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 2 low gives a wave 3 target in the 540s. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high, and wave 5 is the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 4 low, we can see the Nasdaq go up to 567. It's currently at 522. So I'm looking for 506 not to get broken, and that 567 can be the next swing target in the long term after this wave 3 ends and there's a wave 4 consolidation period. So this could be setting up for a nice little run for potentially multiple quarters. And this could be a big correction that is looked back on like August 5th is looked back on. So we're going to look at some other stocks in this video that are in the Nasdaq and related to China actually. So from the current slide, we're going to see this is the Nasdaq. It's at the 61.8% retracement, and Apple is also at the 61.8% retracement, also ending a wave 2 correction. This is looking very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up forms for wave 1, and an A, B, C correction ends wave 2 right at the 61.8% retracement. The length of wave 1 placed at the wave 2 low can take Apple on a wave 3 up into the 283 range before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high and wave 5 is the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 4 low, Apple can go all the way up to the 324 area. It's currently at 239, so almost a 33% rally, going up a third in value is possible for Apple. We can see why they would shake out the bulls and the bears out of their positions before doing that. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave 1 and wave 2 at the 61.8% retracement. The next swing target is 284 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. So that's Apple. Let's look at Alibaba right now. Alibaba is turning around nicely, and we can see it's also at an important retracement. We're going to look at Alibaba's leveraged ETF, BABX, because it does a really good job of showing what all Alibaba can accomplish here, and it gives a good roadmap. This is a wave 1 and a wave 2. This is another wave 1 and an A, B, C wave 2 correction that goes past the 78.6% retracement, but does not break the previous wave 2 low. The length of wave 1 placed at the wave 2 low says Alibaba's leveraged ETF can head up to the 34 range before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher.